Deep within the Peruvian Amazon and accessible only by water, Pacaya Media Reserve is one of the Earth's most fertile sanctuaries. This is where I started Aqua Expeditions. We invite you to journey with us into this fascinating landscape aboard the Aria Amazon, custom designed to invite the river into every moment of your unforgettable adventure. As you become one of the very few to explore this living kaleidoscope, our exceptional guides bring you to swim among rare pink dolphins and on foot into the rainforest where they point out three-toed sloth hiding in the tree canopy. Don't forget to look up at a clear sky crisscrossed with vibrant bird life. Fewer than 30,000 people live in the Pacaya Media. You will meet some of them and experience firsthand the beauty of life along the Amazon. Back on board, make yourself at home in the sophisticated style of our floating boutique hotel. Like the river itself, days are a balance of diverse excursions on water and land, guided by Aqua Expeditions' professional naturalists into this mystifying ecosystem that remains one of the last unexplored regions of our planet. Equally memorable are the modern technologies and luxurious touches within your design suite. Aqua's dedicated skiffs bring our guests to explore the narrow inlets and winding river systems that make up Pacaya Media's vast, flooded jungle, in search of capuchin and howler monkeys swinging playfully between the tree branches. We return to the ship in time to catch some late afternoon sun on the outdoor deck. Relax in the air-conditioned lounge where, pisco sour in hand, you will learn about the next day's adventures ahead. Later, we gather for the Amazonia-influenced dishes of executive chef Pedro Miguel Schiaffino, one of South America's top-ranked culinary talents. Rest up and watch the river come to life again through your private, uninterrupted wall of windows. I am often asked why I chose to start Aqua Expeditions here on the Peruvian Amazon. Come and experience the answer for yourself.